is a little bit connected as the before one. How do you explain people that a sprint is to learn, not to validate an idea or prototype?
Over and over and over again. There's no way to say that once eloquently and make it stick. You just have to keep saying it. So I say it like during, at the beginning of, like before, when we're talking about what the sprint is, this is what it's for doing. They won't really hear. They'll think, great, we're going to make a prototype and then we're going to build it. During the sprint week, as we're doing things like, don't worry about the sketch, this is just something we're going to test at the end of the week. As they're deciding, don't worry, this is just about something we're going to test. I mean, in the map on Monday, over and over again. And then even as you're watching the results of the test, like, don't worry that this didn't, like, the point of this was to learn. The point was to learn. You just have to say it over and over again. Ultimately, like, I think people get it by experiencing what it's like to go through the process. The next week, they realize the point of that was to learn, and now we know more. Now we have more clarity about what to do next. But I think you just have to repeat yourself.